I accomplished a lot of things over the past year, but one of the things I'm the most proud of is actually pushing some fake Amazon gurus to stop teaching you wrong stuff and actually give up on actually being Amazon guru and teaching you to become an influencer, right? So no shots to anyone, by the way, but I want to make this video to talk about something specific because I've been super critical about this whole space, right? About the Amazon FBA space, because a lot of people get into this space just to make money. And like, I'm not going to lie, I make a shit ton of money by being an Amazon guru, right? Like, we actually make a lot of money that I reinvest. I reinvest pretty much everything into the coaching program, by the way. But that's not the point. It's fine if you actually know something. It's fine to actually start monetizing it, right? But that's the keyword. If you actually know something, right? And one thing that happened after the pandemic is that we got a lot of people that grew an audience, right? Right here on YouTube, right? About this business model, because a lot of people were interested in it, right? And they did not know much about the business because they were running the business in super easy times. And then they started giving out advice about stuff that they don't know about. And that's something that is not okay. And that's why, that's one of the reasons why, you know, I'm not a big social media guy. So yes, of course, like, it's weird to actually say that because I do post on social media. I'm a Z-list social media influencer, if you can say it this way. I'm at the bottom of the shelf, right? But I actually don't like social media because everybody, like, it's really, really easy to actually amplify your voice and say a lot of bullshit, right? It's actually easy. If you actually chase viral videos and all, it's actually easy to become an authority on a subject and then say a lot of bullshit, right? And so the reason why I'm telling you all this is because you need to be super careful where you actually get your advice from, right? And the big issue is that a lot of the gurus that you may see online, if not all of them, have no ideas what it is like to sell today on Amazon because they are not selling anymore, right? They're just selling information. They are not selling at all. They are not running an Amazon business. And they're telling you the stuff that was working 2-3 years ago, maybe 5 years ago for some of them, 10 years ago for some of them that actually gave up on actually selling you Amazon courses right now, right? And it's just not working. And you know, I made that part of my communication for a reason, right? Because I'll tell you, I got in a private beef with one of those gurus, like it was not much, it was by DM. The guy was mad at me because I was super critical of him, right? I was saying, literally, if you've seen one of my webinars, all that stuff, I was clearly saying, like, this guy is not selling, he should not be teaching you shit, right? The reason why you fail is because you listen to these guys that are, like, giving you bullshit, right? And so the truth is that this guy got mad at me because I actually said that. But the truth is that this message, and this is why you can understand why it's true, right? Why I'm saying why what I'm saying is true and how it got actually proven to be true. This message, right? This message that I came with. If you've seen my webinar, you understand the message that I actually come with, that I actually have been propagating for the last 1.5 years, right? Which is, these guys don't sell. These guys don't know what works. These guys are selling you on shit, right? Because they're just too lazy to run their Amazon business. That's why they sell you a course. That's it, because they're just chasing the next thing. That's why they're selling you a mentorship, right? Because they're just chasing the next thing, right? And that's the issue. And the reason why it is because, like, I'll tell you, right? In my mentorship program, especially right when I was pushing this messaging a lot, right, we've got a lot of people that failed with other people's mentorship, right, that came in, even people that were not even able to get one single sale. Like, just think about it. They paid thousands in course, they paid thousands in mentorship. They were not even able to get one sale, right? And actually got their first sale after joining my mentorship. And that's actually crazy to me, that you join somebody's mentorship, you buy somebody's course, and you're not even, like, it's so trash that you cannot even get a sale, right? And of course, some people are just lazy, right? But like, that's actually crazy. If you actually buy something and they cannot even push you to get your first sale, there's an issue with the product. And the reason why that messaging resonated so much with people, right, is just because it's true. And for all the other Amazon gurus out there, like, you can't be mad at me if I'm just saying the truth and it actually resonates with people. Because if it was not resonating with people, like, I get it. Right? I get it. It's fine. Maybe like it's not true, but like the truth is that this message actually resonated with people, because the issue is that a lot of these people push you and actually like sell you the idea of this business model, telling you that this business model is actually like going to allow you to travel the world while running your business. You can run your business from anywhere in the world, but they have not done it themselves. They have not done that. You can see them whenever they were running the business, they actually got warehouses, right? Or you can see them prep all day. That's when they were running their business. That's what they were doing, right? But they were never able to run this business sustainably by traveling. They actually take videos of traveling to the next state or like a couple of states over, right? Going to New York for 3 days, or going like to an island right next to Florida, right, for a couple of days, and telling you, yeah, like you can actually run this while traveling. My business is printing money while traveling. You just go on a weekend. You just go on a weekend. You have no ideas what it is like to actually run this business while going all around the place. It's absolutely not the same thing. And that's the issue. You get caught up in running this business in a way, right, where you cannot do this in a way where you're going to need to be in a loop to actually receive products and ship the products yourself. And like, I'll tell you, it's 100% fine. When I'm in the US, sometimes I do take advantage of that. Like right now, I do take advantage of that. Maybe some of you guys, if you're in Miami, you've seen me at the post office, you've seen me at UPS, because like, I'll tell you right now, I do it because I do take advantage of some opportunities where we ship product here, we ship products to our prep center, we have multiple prep centers, we ship products to a couple of places, but there's such a great return on investment that we can get here on some specific product where we have like low competition that we are actually doing it, right? So that's not the point. It's not that you can't do it, but like what I'm telling you is that a lot of people sell you on the business model, right, on this business model that is being able to run to like the laptop lifestyle and all this shit, while they've never done it. They've gone on vacation for 3 days, but they've never really left and had their business keep growing, right? They've never done it. If you actually go back on my YouTube channel and you look at the $0 to $100,000 a month playlist, right, you can see that most of it, I did it while being out of the country, right? I did it, like the longest stretch I've done, right, is being, like, and literally the stretch that I did at that time is, so when I started my online arbitrage business, when I transitioned from retail to online, I did the first few months, right, and it was probably like 7 months, right, building and starting to scale the online arbitrage business, and we reached like $30,000 a month at that point, right? Then it was maybe 7 months, right? Something like that. I left in June. It was like maybe at most 1 year, right? That was before I actually started YouTube. And then after that, like, I actually left the US for 9 months. I came back to Miami for 3 months. Then I left again for like, I think 4 or 5 months. Then I came back to Miami for 3 months. I left again for 6 months. And so I can actually tell you what it takes to run this business 100% hands off, right? With virtual assistant, with prep centers, and not having to take care of touching products at all yourself, right? Without having people at home that can actually do it for you, right? While actually like still paying the bill in the US, right? Even when I was because like you can see literally from when I started YouTube, this is what my office has been. Like it's the same, right? So the point I'm trying to make is that's a different ball game, okay? And I know because I've done both. It's a different ball game, and most people that you see can't do it. They've never done it. And the reason why you're stuck doing this and prepping all day is because you've never really built the system, and you've never really built, it's the system. You've never really built the system that can allow you to do this for an extended period of time. You've never built them. That's why with a lot of my students, we actually work on building the system, like working on the business instead of working in the business. And that's something that takes time to develop, right? If you've been running your business for a little while and you haven't developed that, like it can take a couple of months to actually get to that point, right? And it's just building pieces one by one because you were doing some bullshit before, right? And so, as I said, the issue is that you get caught up in this, right? And you get caught up in this business model that becomes a second job, right? That you cannot do anything else, right? Except that, and it's just a pain to grow, right? And the only reason why you get there, right, is because you're learning from people that have not done it before, right? They've never done it. They become like literally they were working a second job. They were not working on 9 to 5. They were working on 9 to 9 to actually scale their business, right? And whenever you see that they actually move to another place, to a nice place, it's whenever they actually stop, like, or they come to Miami or they like do this shit. It's whenever they actually stop running their Amazon business and whenever they actually transition full time into coaching or whatever they're doing, right? But that's actually backward. And that's the point I'm trying to make. And if everything that I'm saying is actually not true, if all this is bullshit, right? If all they do is right, like they should, like it's if it's actually okay to do this, right? To actually sell course, to actually sell mentorship while not even selling yourself. If it's actually okay, why does your results suck that much? Why this message actually like, and by the way, I know that these guys' results suck because we've got some of their old students, right? And I know that, and even beyond that, even if we had not had any of their students, I know they suck because that message alone resonated with people so much. If it was not true, it would not resonate with people at all. So the reason why, and if you're an Amazon guru watching this, right, the reason why you cannot be mad at me is because the message actually resonates with people. Whenever I'm actually saying, look, these people, like whenever I tell them, and right now I'm going to talk to the gurus right there, right? Whenever I say, you suck, you should not be selling a course, and you're the reason why all these people fail, the reason why these people say, yes, that's true, and actually that message resonates with them is because it's just true. That's the only reason why. And the reason why this message alone was able to, on the back end, right? And I'm just going to talk about that, right? On the back end, we were able to collect a lot of money with the mentorship just on this message, right? And I'm talking hundreds of thousands of dollars collected just from this message alone. The reason why we were able to do this is because that message is actually true, right? That's it. And like, I'm not even literally, I'm not even telling you, yeah, my mentorship program is the best, all that stuff. No, I'm just telling you, like, it's beyond that, right? I'm not better at selling than all of you guys. I'm not than all of these guys. Like, the only reason why I've been able to collect any money from people that don't even know me at all, right? Because I'll tell you, right? That message was ran to a lot of people, that cold audience that have never heard of me. And it actually like translated into us collecting money. The reason why it works is because it's true. The reason why it works is because these guys are actually teaching how to actually sell on Amazon while they are not doing it. That's it. So hopefully this video was able to make you think a little bit about this whole issue. And for me, like, I'll see you tomorrow for a new video because we're back with the daily videos. So thanks for watching and I'll see you later.